Hey, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Happens to be one of our 800 horsepower LS engines. Unbelievable motor. This one just got done making about 840, about 860 foot-pounds of torque. Again, these LS supercharged motors are way out of the box. You're looking for a great motor, you found us. We'll be happy to build anything you'd like. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. What do I always tell everybody? The proof is in the performance. Hey, I hope the kid Brad's doing some great job doing some of the videos. Trying to step back, let some other guys get in the videos. But again, I'm your engine builder. I build them all. Peace.